Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find or check out the special offers on the Opodo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the search button down below, and as you scroll down you can find the cheapest weekend getaway option, or you can also tap on the deals button down below to search for the deals. Here you can set the departure point and the number of passengers, and the class can be selected, and here you can find the available deals. Tap on the relevant one that you find interesting and check out this deal in more details. You should wait a few seconds, and here you can find the information about it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.